Hi guys, I was gifted these chicken and duck feeder ports. So you can take like, a Rubbermaid trash can or bucket or Rubbermaid tote, and you would drill the holes, and then this goes inside the container. Then you put all your feed in the container. So this is like for an auto feeder for your chickens. Look at this. Let's see what's in this box. What? Look, it's got the hole saw even. So you don't have to buy a hole saw. So you'll cut and it has the drill bit part right here. And let's see what else we got in here. Instructions. I'm gonna go get a bucket and I'll show you how to install one of these and show you how cool they look. Okay, this is super simple. You're just gonna find where you want to put the port at and drill it through your container. Okay, that drilled right through like butter. It's a nice hole saw here, and I'm gonna get the part that you're gonna put in here. All right, so this is the feeder port, and you're just gonna unscrew this part right here. We're gonna stick it in the bucket or whatever you're trying to do. If you want to do a trash can or whatever, and then just screw this on right here. Make it nice and tight. There's also, I forgot to put on this O-ring. It's easy just to take off. Put that O-ring back on. Tighten it up. That O-ring's to help prevent water from getting into your feed and stuff if you have it out. And that's it. If you want to cover that feeder port at night, here's the cover that goes in it. So you just push it in like that, and now the feeder port's covered. So if you guys need some chicken or duck feeder ports like this to make your own DIY chicken feeder, go ahead and get these. They are good quality. Thanks.